Hi, welcome to Mary's Math Club.
We know synthetic leather, synthetic fiber. Now today we will discuss about synthetic multiplication. Synthetic multiplication is a bit different from conventional multiplication in the case of algebra. Here what we do that first we detach the coefficient from the variables, then do some processing of just only the coefficient, and then again we rejoin the coefficient and the variable. How? We will see it right now with an example, because with example it will make more clear, I think. Now for a polynomial 4x cube plus 3x square minus 5x plus 7. It is multiplying with another polynomial, that is 6x square minus 5. Now we have to find out the product of two polynomial, 4x cube plus 3x square minus 5x plus 7 into 6x square minus 5. So from the first polynomial, after detaching the coefficient from the variable, we get 4 plus 3, this one, minus 5 plus 7 from first polynomial. And now from the second polynomial, means this one, 6x square minus 5, we are getting 6 as x square, coefficient is 6. Now after x square, the next power should be x, but x is missing, x is not here. So if we think that here is, I am showing it here, that 6x square plus 0 into x minus 5, then it is valid here, because something into 0 means it is 0, and that means x into 0 is 0, x is not here, so it's met. So now, but in the case when we will write here coefficient, then we have to write according to the highest power to lowest power of the variable. That's why we'll write here 0 as a coefficient of x, and then minus 5. So from the first polynomial we get this coefficients, and from the second polynomial we get this coefficient. Now we will find out some product of these two coefficients. How? See. Now from the first polynomial we got that 4 plus 3 minus 5 plus 7 after detaching the coefficient from the variables. And from the second polynomial we got that 6 plus 0 minus 5. 0 is written because there was no x term, but according to the power, if we have to write according to the power, that's why we make the coefficient 0. Now we will start our calculation with coefficient. It is just like the simple multiplication, but it's different also, because we can start from right, extreme right number or extreme left number. But if we start from extreme right number, then we have to move to left, and if we start from the extreme left number, then we have to move to right number, to right, not right number, to right. And another thing is that in the normal multiplication generally we do for this number, that minus 5 plus 7, that means plus 7 into minus 5, it is minus 35. So 5 is here and 3 is there. But here it is divisible. Whatever be the number, we have to write it down. No carry forward. No carry forward. Just whatever be the multiplication number, we will write it here with sign. So minus 5 plus 7 means it will be minus 35. Minus 35. Next number is minus 5, minus 5. So it will be minus minus plus 25. Minus 25. Next number is minus 5 plus 3. So minus plus minus 15. Next number is minus 5 and 4. So it will gives us minus 20. Next with 0, as any number multiply with 0 means it's 0, all 0. So it's not a problem. So everything is 0, but we have to move towards left. We have to move to our left. This is oops. Zero plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. Next with 6. 6 plus 7. Again we have to move towards left, and 6 plus 7 plus 42. 6 plus 6 into minus 5. So it gives us minus 30. Plus 6 into plus 3, that means plus 18, plus 6 into plus 4, that means 24. Now we will do addition. Minus 35, there is nothing, so it will be just like minus 35. Plus 25 plus 0, so it will be plus 25. Plus 45, for plus 42, minus 15. That means it will be 27, and as 42 is positive, so it will be positive. Minus 20, minus 30. So it will be minus 50. And plus 18 plus 0, so it will be plus 18. And this is 24. So now this is the product of coefficients. Two polynomials coefficient. Now we will join the variables with this coefficient. We must be careful about one thing, that the coefficient of similar terms must be in same column. See, I have written 6 under 3, not 4, not 5. Because here 6 is the coefficient of x square and 3 is also the coefficient of x square. That's why both the coefficient I have written in same column. And I have written 0 just under 5 because 5 is the coefficient of x in the first polynomial and 0 is the coefficient of x in the second polynomial. Though there is actually no x term in second polynomial, and that's why we decided the coefficient of x in the second polynomial is 0. Whatever be, but the thing is same, that the coefficient of similar terms must be in same column. Now these are the coefficients after calculation. Now these are the coefficients, all the coefficients of the product after calculation, and we will join all these coefficient with the variables. How? If we start the multiplication from right or extreme right number, or if we start the multiplication from the extreme left number, it doesn't matter in that case. After the calculation, we will see what is the rightmost number, and the rightmost number will be the constant. From right to left, we will increase the power of the variable. We will increase the power from the of the variable. How? See, this is 35, so I am writing minus 35 again. Here variables power is 0, it's x to the power 0. X to the power 0 means 1, so we are not writing it. Next number, we are going again, keep it in mind, we are going from right to left. Right to left, this is very important. In this time we are going from right to left. Now 25 plus 25. So we are increasing the x power. Here it was 0, here it is 1. 1 means just x we have written. Next 27. Here it was x to the power 1. That means here it will be x square. 27 x square plus 27. Okay. Now again we will increase power by 1. So it is 50 minus 50. So here it will be minus 50 x cube. Next, here it is 18 plus 18. So we'll write plus 18. After increasing the power by 1, we'll get x to the power 4. And here it is 24. So we will write it 24 x to the power 5 after increasing the power of the variable. So it is easy. So we will keep it in mind that we have to start the variable from right side and we will go to our left side. In each turn we will increase the power of the variable by 1. Means here it was x to the power 0, here x to the power 1, here x to the power x square, here x to the power 3, x to the power 4, x to the power 5, and like that. So if whether we multiplied start multiplication from extreme left number or extreme right number, it doesn't matter. But after the calculation of the coefficient, we will rejoin the variables with coefficient from right side and will move to left side, and each of the time whenever we are moving to towards left, then we are increasing the power of the variable by 1, and that is the process of synthetic multiplication. Hope I make it understandable to you what is synthetic multiplication and how to do it. This is in fact synthetic multiplication with one variable, but it is also possible with two variables, and one day we will try to show it. Like, share and subscribe Mary's Math channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.